This is Brother Barnes, and I'm going to show you how to add a calendar to this home page in Canvas. Let's click Edit, and let's scroll down, and let's place the cursor where we would like the course calendar to be situated below the syllabi here. Let's click Files, and let's upload a file. And when I click Choose a File, it's going to show you a lot of files that I'm not interested in showing, so I'm going to kind of skip past that and show you where I'm eventually pulling from as I edit the video. Let's click Choose File. Notice that I have a due dates calendar in Word, but I also have one that is a PDF, and I like deploying PDFs that cannot be revised by the recipient. So let's add that in, and let's upload it. And there it is. It pops right in there, and let's click Save. And then let's just quickly see if that does what we want it to do. Let's click Due Dates Calendar. There we go. And there it is. Bam-o.